Several days ago, Lucid Motors made the big news unveiling the Lucid Air with fantastic specs compared to Tesla and other electric cars. Today, we have a rare drone video of Lucid Motors factory where it will start the Lucid Air production in only a few months. And I'm going to tell you the story of how the Gigafactory started. I asked the Lucid's PR team to take a drone video and send it to me to North Carolina. And they did it, and I'm sharing it with you. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. If you would like to receive daily Tesla and electric vehicle news, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss my next electric vehicle or Tesla story. Now, before we get started on the details of Lucid's factory, let's take a look at this drone video provided by Lucid's PR team exclusively for Torque News. They emailed it to me, and then I will tell you a little bit more about this, about the details of the factory and why they chose this location, why Lucid Motors chose this location, and when they plan to start the production of Lucid Air electric vehicle. So as you can see, very interesting video, very interesting details about Lucid's factory. We have been reporting Gigafactory news, Giga Berlin, Giga Texas, Giga Shanghai updates, and also news from Fremont factory. I thought maybe it would be interesting to talk about other major electric car company factories that they're building these new cars. Especially Lucid Air stands out with its fantastic range and specs that we have seen in the past several days. So Lucid Motors says that on April 23, a ship called One Hummer left Japan with 14 containers of robotic and precision tooling equipment designed for the body shop of Lucid's new Arizona factory. The first purpose-built all-electric vehicle manufacturing facility in North America. Probably means Lucid's first electric EV manufacturing facility. We watched a satellite tracker, says Lucid, in eager anticipation as the ship crossed the Pacific Ocean and arrived a week later at the port of Los Angeles. Lucid says it's just the first of 9 shipments totaling 85 containers of equipment we will receive in the coming months. They have already probably received most of it from our supplier Hokuto, which will enable us to manufacture the Lucid Air's all aluminum advanced body structure, and it's all coming exactly on schedule without any delay. even as we maintain the safest possible environment for everyone working on the project at the factory site in Arizona. Lucid also says Lucid Motors actually says they haven't had to modify ambitious plans to complete their factory for upcoming Lucid Air production. After breaking ground only late last year, they completed the steel structure in February of 2020 and most recently framed in the walls and roofing. Upon completion later this year, their production lines will include equipment sourced from the world's leading suppliers in the United States, Germany, South Korea, and Mexico, as well as Japan. Now, Lucid also told me in an exclusive information to Torque News saying Lucid chose the Casa Grande, Arizona location for the factory after an exclusive search across 13 US states and more than 60 sites. I honestly don't know which US states Lucid has searched and which 60 sites they have searched. Maybe they have searched your city or your state, but after searching 13 US states and more than 60 US sites, Lucid finally chose Casa Grande in Arizona and explains that Arizona presents numerous positive factors, including infrastructure, talent, geographic location, and automotive supply chain. Production at the Lucid Motors factory in Casa Grande, Arizona will begin in the coming months, with deliveries of Lucid Air to North American customers to commence in spring of 2021. By the way, is there anyone that are listening this report that has ordered a Lucid Airs? If yes, please write in the comments section about your experience, about how the experience was, how it was, what were the details, and any information that you think may interest in our Torque News community, because we have talked about pre-ordering Tesla Model Y, pre-ordering Tesla Model 3, and now also Tesla Model X, Tesla Cybertruck, but it will be interesting to know how the process and experience is of ordering Lucid Air. Now, we're taking a phased approach with our factory. Actually, Lucid told me that they are taking a phased approach with their factory in Casa Grande, Arizona. With phase 1, Lucid says, we will have a production capacity of over 30,000 vehicles per year. The first year of production will focus on a steady ramp to ensure quality. Once the factory is fully built out, we will be able to make up to 400,000 units per year. Now, before I continue, do you remember when Tesla started Model 3 production in Fremont? What was the yearly production? How many Model 3s did Tesla produce in the first year? Or what was the goal? Apparently, Lucid starts with 30,000 vehicles per year, with the goal of ramping to up to 400,000 units per year at this kind of Lucid's own gigafactory. Lucid also told me, told Torque News, that as part of a $700 million investment, the construction of this factory, Lucid Motors factory, will be phased. For the first phase, they are constructing an 820,000 square feet that will include manufacturing, assembly, storage, and central utility, and will employ around 750 workers. For phase 2 and beyond, the company will expand construction as higher sales volumes dictate. Now, we don't know when the phase 2 will start, but it looks like the phase 2 will start when the higher sales come, and the higher sales will dictate the phase 2 and the further advance. Maybe, God willing, it will be so successful that Lucid will come up with new products for a more affordable products for wider markets, and then they will probably build other factories in the United States and worldwide, like Tesla does with its gigafactories worldwide, and then they will build more cars and different models, including affordable models. In the meantime, Lucid Air is coming in a few months. with I think fantastic 517 miles per charge range, and we're looking forward to it. And we're told that Torque News will be invited to test driving events, and once that happens, you will see very interesting videos coming from Torque News. So please, if you are interested in Lucid Air as well, keep an eye on our channel. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Thank you to Lucid Motors. I express my thanks to Lucid Motors PR team for sending this information, these pictures and drone video that you have been seeing in this report, and I'll look forward to bring this to you. So please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and Lucid Motor news, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. See you later in our next report. God bless you. Peace be with all of you.